Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated, and in this video I want to show you how to put up one of these visors like that on an Audi Q8. So I was playing with this car that I got as a loaner car from the dealership while my car is being repaired, and I couldn't figure out how to put this up because if I press this button I can't put it up. I was able to put it down, but I can't put it back up. Well, it turns out that the door has to be closed. As you can see on that side, I can put it up. So if I close the door and go from the inside and put it up, so like for instance I'm controlling with the driver's seat controllers, it goes up. So it took me a little bit to figure that out. Or here, let me leave it up. And then we open the door. So here it's up right now. If I put it down, see, it goes down when I press that button and the window goes down. I can close the window, but I can't put it up back up. Now if I go inside the car, let me see. If I go inside the car, push the button up, it goes back up. So I don't know why they have it like this, but hopefully this helps you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.